Good evening, everybody. Today I am here in hotel which is outside of Kumarwara and in front of Hari Masjid, and I am here with my friends. And Abdul Wasi is my friend, one of my friends, and this is Mateen, and this is Anda Paratha. We call it in Balochi or Urdu, and yeah. It has been ordered by Abdul Wasi, and there is a very crazy person
Actually, no.
because he had tea before, then he ordered this paratha. What do you think? Isn't he a crazy? I think so. There is a crazy person.
He's gone mad because in an hour.
Do you wanna say anything?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं मतीन, ठीक है। तो मैं अहमद का दोस्त हूँ, अकेडमी में पढ़े हुए हम लोग। मम्मी गुड सही में
Why are they laughing? I have no idea. They are crazy or something else. Why are we laughing, man? Yeah, what happened?
Actually, we met.
I think they have been.
You know what happened with me? You were about to say that he's speaking in English.
Yeah, so
He was just speaking in Balochi or
I am
Urdu.
not speaking in Balochi.
Then why did you say
Say
that?
something.
Yeah.
How are you feeling here?
Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling better. You know, at that time I was about to eat something, but I didn't because I thought that maybe they will feel that Jose is just thinking about himself as well. Okay, but at the end I thought that
See there, the camera.
yeah. At the end I just thought that maybe my building won't stay or accept.
Where is Mr. Mateen?
Within has gone from here. I don't know where.
Yeah, so why did he go from here?
I thought maybe he's feeling shy. Therefore,
Maybe.
yeah, he is.
Guys, this is one of my friend. His name is Abdul Wasi, and that one is Mateen, lazy person. I don't know where has he been. Where did he go?
I went to have water. I just got a sore throat.
Yeah.
Cannot talk now.
By the way, what?
Let's talk about anda paratha, bhai. Anda paratha is here, okay.
This is Anda Paratha.
It is anda upon the paratha, and down there's a paratha. Okay, we are having paratha in Sanamulla's hotel.
They put
And
some
it is
people.
so
They put some
delicious.
people on the paratha. Or egg. It is actually mixed egg and paratha,
You know about it.
and this is very delicious.
Yeah, just tell them how expensive it is nowadays. We used to eat it for 50, now maybe 80 or plus. Okay, see you.
Okay, guys, we will meet you again, inshallah. I will make another video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, like it and subscribe my channel. Okay, nice to meet you.